Hello, hello, fellow YouTubers. This is James Stone of this here YouTube channel, and I've been running this channel for, I think, since 2013, so about 5 years ago. A lot of this started with me creating some tutorial videos in my flat while I lived in Paris, and maybe you're one of those people that partook or enjoyed some of these videos about ZURB Foundation or some other technology. And I'm in the process of kind of reinventing what this channel is. So I'm in the process of thinking of new content and new ideas that I can present here to you. And I would love it if you could just take a moment and answer the poll. It's like one question. What kind of things are you interested in to see on this channel? The poll is right here. Okay, you're probably answering, or maybe you've already answered, but I'll give you one more moment. Totally okay. You totally don't have to answer. I know, no pressure. But if you answer, that's awesome. And if not, if you're just, you're like, I'm cool, I don't really need to answer some sort of questionnaire again, that's cool too. Thanks for watching this. Anyways, if you wanted to add anything, or you have a comment like, hey, go James, like, love your channel, or like, whatever. It doesn't have to be positive. It could be anything. Maybe something that's not addressed in the questionnaire, the poll up here. I would love it if you left a comment below. I'll respond to all of the comments. And thank you again. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching this video. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Or good night, or good morning, depending on where you are. See you.